Welcome to Route and Switch Essentials. I am doing Lab 2.2.4.9, Configuring Switch Port Security. The first part of our lab says we want to access the command line for a switch and enable port security for Ethernet ports 01 and 02. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to our switch. Let's go to our CLI. From our user mode, we can't do anything, so let's go ahead and hop over to our user exec mode. Here we're going to do our show commands, but we don't have any show commands to do just yet, so let's go ahead and hop over to our global config mode. We want to set up a range of interfaces, FA 0/1 through 2. That way we can set up port security for both of these guys. So how do we do that? If we do a question mark, there is nothing about port security here. But switch port shows switch port mode characteristics. So let's do switch port. Let's see what happens. Switch port. It's incomplete. Let's see some of the sub options for switch port. Notice port security is a switch port command. So switch port security. We turned it on. What are some of our options though? We can set a MAC address, because we're going to have to tell it how to do our security. We also have to set the maximum number of addresses to learn, and what to do in case of a violation. So let's go ahead and do our maximum first. Maximum, we want to learn one address. We have one PC plugged in per switch, or per switch port. So one address will be fine. Next, how are we going to learn our MAC addresses? Question mark. We can manually set it, or we can tell it sticky. Sticky means the first address that you encounter, that will be the switch port, or that will be the MAC address learned for that switch port. Next, what violation mode do we want to set? We want to not disable when a violation occurs, but just drop packets from an unknown source. So, switch port, violation. What violations do we have? We can do protect, restrict, or shut down. Our goal is going to be restrict. That's it. Port security is turned on. All we have to do is tell it port security to turn it on. We have to tell it the maximum of addresses to learn, how to learn the addresses, and what to do for a violation. That's it. One last step that we do want to do to complete everything. Let's go ahead and turn off all unused ports. Interface, range, FA 0/3 through 24, and we have 2 gigabit ports. So 0/1 through 2. We want to shut these guys down. Shut down. That way, no ports other than the ones we are using are turned on. Let's go and do a show command to verify. Let's show port security. We have port security turned on for those 2 ports. We have no violations yet, and our action to take is going to be restricted. So let's go ahead and verify that the switch are learning our addresses. Let's go ahead and ping from PC2 to PC1. So click on PC2, go to desktop, go to our command prompt. Let's go ahead and ping it. We should get a response. The switch now knows the MAC address for PC1 and PC2. Let's verify. Let's hop over to switch 1. So, show port security, interface. Let's go and look at FA 0/1 first. That's the MAC address for PC1. Let's look at it for interface 2. That is the MAC address for PC2. Let's do some verification. Let's unplug PC2 and let's plug in a rogue laptop. We're going to give it a second to learn the MAC address. So click on the rogue laptop, desktop, and let's go ahead and try pinging PC1. It should not work. There should now be a violation. Each time it sends a ICMP request, it should show a violation. So 1 violation, 2 violation, 3 violation, 4 violation. Even if we do it again, it will not work. Even though the link shows up, it's not working. What happens if we plug this into a different port? Let's plug it into port 4. All the other ports are turned off. So our only active ports are FA01 and FA02. So let's plug our cable back into PC2 to verify that our violation mode is not incorrectly set. Let's go back and let's try to ping PC1 again. The first few attempts may fail. That is okay. It has to relearn. It has to see that we're coming from a valid address, and it will let us go through. So the first 4 requests may time out. Oh, but our 4th request did go through. Let's try it one more time, and we're able to show that we can go through. So let's double check on our switch what's going on. So let's go ahead and look at our interface FA02. That's the correct MAC address. It's up, it's restricted, and that's all good. I want to see an overview of our port security. It's showing that they're up, they're good. We are good to go. We could do based off of address as well, but we don't need to. Let's verify the lab is complete by checking results. Score is 100 out of 100. Every item is complete. I wanted to thank you guys and hope you have a great day.